Welcome to ARW. I'm Harold, and the other day I cached these little Flask clips, and then I left you guys hanging. I didn't tell you what, I didn't give a good explanation of what they were for. But today we're going to finish them up, and we're going to put them on a flask. Okay? Even though I don't really need them there, it's be a demonstration thing. All right? So we'll just go right ahead and get started. I think that'd be best. Now, out of all the tools that I've made in my garage/shop, this has been the most useful one of all. And we're going to use it to clean these little guys up. They get hot really quick when you're doing that. I'm going to continue on this for a while, and then we'll move over to the milling machine and clean up some of the rough spots, the bigger pieces there. Okay, so I've got one of them set up in the mill, and the sides don't have to be totally square with each other. Now, if I was somebody like Randy Richard, cleans up. Good night. I'm going to drop the quill down and see if we can't clean off that little bit of stuff in the middle there. It's not important, and I hope I don't get myself in trouble messing with it. But we'll just see what happens. Just cleaning out that little bit down in the crack there, and it did it. So I'll roll this thing over and see if I can clean up this side. This side's really got all the stuff in it. Now this is not going to be as perfect. It's not going to be Randy Richard right, I can tell you that. But to an old redneck, that's pretty dang clean and shiny right there. I'm going to do this 3 more times. No need for us to video that, I don't guess. We'll see. Alright, so we're going to drill these guys. Alright, now we got to drill and tap holes in 2 of them and drill holes in the other 2. The others won't be threaded, just the first 2. And this is a number 7 bit. We'll get a full thread in there, or at least a full 75% thread. And there's 1 threaded. I'm going to do the rest like another one like this, and the rest of them I'm just going to drill a hole that this will fit down into. Okay? So you've seen it done. I'll bring you back when I go to screw them onto the flask. I almost forgot a step here. We got to have holes with the screws through to put them on the flask. And that would be a mess, taking that off. And we're going to put a stop here so that I can come back to the same spot. I need to get a steel rod in here instead of aluminum. It would slide a lot better. I just hadn't got around to it yet. And they're all in exactly the same spot. So before I screw one of these on the flask, I got to go and see what the boss lady wants for supper. We'll come back after a while. Alright, so these are clips for a flask. This flask, of course, has already got some rather crude locating pins on it. So I put it around on the side as if this were going to be used here. It's not, but this is permanently attached in this guy, and he slides through the hole on this guy here, and there'll be another set round on this side, or I prefer them on the long end of things, like these are, give or take. But that's what the flask clips are for. That's what they look like installed.